What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Mop Station Pro here. So if you guys are interested in a vacuum that can also mop as well too, this is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and go over it. It's $5.99 if you guys want to check it out in the link down below here. And let's go ahead and get right into it. So when you get this guy, you're going to have obviously the robot, the main brush, the edge brush as well too, the reservoir, and then we have two clean takes on here, one to put the water in and then one with the waste. And then you're going to get your cleaning cloths, your swapping dustbin, and then the self-cleaning station itself, cleaning tools on here as well too, like the brush, and then you have two sponge filters, and then of course the power cord on here. So the setup process, very easy. You just basically scan it with the QR code and download the application. It's extremely easy to go ahead and set up here. So I want to go ahead and go over the specs a little bit. So we have this does do the mapping function as well too, just like the last vacuum. So it does 10 in pressure, and then it loosens stains at 180, and then we also have it can hold water for 300% as well too. What's very cool about this mopping station is that it can actually clean itself. So it can actually go into the mopping station and actually clean the mop pads on here and dry them as well too, which I thought was pretty cool. And remember, this is also just a standard vacuum as well too. So if you have stuff on the floor, it has 3000 PA suction, so it's pretty much strong enough to pick up anything on the floor, which is really awesome as well. So it does a great job at just general vacuuming as well too. And also with that little brush, it is also able to get stuff like in the corners and stuff, sort of like spin it out. So even if you have stuff like on the edge, it's able to kind of spin it and get it in there, which is really nice as well too. On here, this can also go on carpets, or you can direct it to not go on carpets as well too with the application. It's very nice as well. And like I said, the application, being able to map your home quickly, and it's able to learn your home, clean up, go back into the station. It is really nice. I'll show you guys the application a little bit later, but also the mopping station on here as well too. It does have a button on here, so it does have that home button, so you can tell it to go home, and then you have the water suction feature to suction it and then release water as well too, and then you have the stop or the play button on here as well, which is really nice. So this is just a really good vacuum, guys. It does a really good job at cleaning as well too. You can throw those mop pads also in the washing machine as well too, which is really nice. And so far it's been just a really great experience, guys. I mean, it's just extremely handy. So mopping was one of the things that I just always like a chore, and this just makes it like super easy for this thing to just come out automatically, mop the kitchen floor, and you don't really have to worry about it because, like I said, the tanks are big enough so you're not like constantly changing them out and stuff like that, and it does a very good job. So I was pretty impressed with it. So I'm actually going to show you guys the application software a little bit closer now. Alright, guys, I want to go ahead and show you guys the application, and it's essentially the same as the the Vac Pro here. So again, we have our start mapping and then our start mopping. We also have the air drying on here as well, and then we have our clean, edit, map, and then we can return it to station from here. We have a custom for the area as well too. We can go ahead and max out the vacuum power from here, and also the water flow. We can set a cleaning schedule as well too, which is really nice. And then we have audible suction setting on here, do not disturb, resume clean on here as well too. And we also get our battery percentage on here as well, which is really nice. So the app is really well done. It's really just super clean. It works really well. That's one of, I think, the most impressive things here is the software here. So be sure to let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to check it out, be sure to check out the link down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.